Dear students, today we are going to start the topic unit conversion. Actually, in some numericals, they have given you the one unit, okay, and you have to convert this unit into another form. Like SI unit is given, and this you have to convert this SI unit into the CGS unit. So, in the first topic of this chapter, we have discussed this thing that N1 u1 is equal to n2 okay. This is the first this is the unit that is given in the question. Okay, this is a numerical value which is associated with this unit. Okay, this n2 u2, this is the unit that you want to convert from this to this, and this is the numerical value which is associated with the second unit. Okay, so suppose if it is a suppose magnitude of velocity, it is given you 5 meter second minus 1. So 5 is a numerical value, meter second minus 1 is the unit. You want to convert them into the CGS unit. Okay, so meter is converted into the centimeter, and second in CGS and SI are same. So that means the CGS unit of velocity is centimeter second minus 1. That you will put here. You have to find this n2. Okay, so this n2 is equal to n1 u1 upon n1 u1, the value that is given, and u2 is the unit that you want to convert from u1 to u2. Okay, so today I am taking the one example here. Okay, the question is the value of universal gravitational constant. Question I am just first reading. The value of universal gravitational constant. Universe, you know that universal gravitational constant we are writing by capital G. So capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus. This is the complete value of G. 6.67 into 10 to a minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. You want to convert this SI unit into the CGS unit. So this one is become your N1. This one is become your U1. Okay, and you want to convert them into the CGS unit. So that means in CGS unit, when you will convert, okay, so first I am writing here the SI unit. Okay, so SI unit is Newton meter square kg minus 2. Okay, 1 Newton means kg meter second minus 2. Okay, then also it is a meter square, and then it is coming kg minus. Okay, this is here the kg, and here it is kg minus 2. So when you will solve, you will get kg minus 1 meter into meter square, it is become meter cube. Okay, second minus 2. Now it is a kg to the power minus 1. Okay, so 1 kg means 1000 gram. 1000 means 10 to the power 3. So that means it is become 10 to the power 3 gram to the power minus 1 meter cube second minus 2. When I am removing this power sign, so it will be coming 10 to the power minus 3 into gram minus 1 into meter cube. Now I am just converting this meter also in centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter, means 10 to the power 2. So it is a meter cube. That means it is coming 10 to the power 6 into centimeter cube into second minus 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 6. So now it is become 10 to the power 3 into gram minus 1 into centimeter cube into second minus 2. Okay, now I am just converting this into the CGS unit. So this one is the CGS unit. Okay, so I am just putting the values here. So N2 is equal to N1. So N1 it is 6.67. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, u1. Okay, so this is your u1. It is a u1. Okay, so u1 is become 10 to the power 3 into gram minus 1 into centimeter cube into second minus divided by u2. It means the unit which you want to convert. So I want to convert them into the CGS unit. So CGS unit means it has become gram minus 1 into centimeter cube into second minus. Okay, so here this gram minus 1 it cancels, centimeter cube will be cancelled, second minus 2 will be cancelled. 6.67 into minus 11 into 10 to the power 3. So now it is coming 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay class.